if you can just see how many early morning flights are there, that the one is going right up there, see, this one, then one is this, okay, then this is the one, this one. Okay, the focus has changed, come on, this one right there, and then you can see how many lines are up there, for the flights which have flown by or have left their trace. These lines are not just clouds, they are made by the flights. How pretty, how lovely the sky is right now. See, when I was small, not small per se, when I know, you know, flying and all, sitting in the airplanes, I used to think whether one airplane can see another. See, just now the third flight has come. This one, see, this is the fourth one, Aish. So I used to think whether this one plane can see another one in the sight in such a vast sky and all. And nobody gave me the answer. That time Google was not there, or at least we don't know how to use it. And but then one fine flight I got the chance to see another airplane, crossing a plane. That was a magic moment for me. Small sudden realizations. Or see how many lines are there. Can you see? The sky is looking so pretty, lovely. Anyways, I guess sunrises are also good as well.